Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you let your friends share your story on Instagram, on their story or in messages. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, you have to swipe to the right. After that, at the top of the page on the right, you have to click on the settings icon. And now you have to click on story. Now you have to scroll down and as you can see there is sharing. Allow sharing to story and allow sharing to messages. You have to click on those buttons. And you are done. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!